Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with Telegram's translation feature not working, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a foolproof way to get it back up and running in just a few simple steps, whether you're on iPhone or Android. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be translating messages seamlessly again. First, let's locate the settings. On iPhone, tap the settings icon at the bottom right corner. For Android users, tap the three-dot menu at the top right and select settings. Next, we need to enable translation. Go to language settings and make sure show translate button is turned on. If you're a Telegram premium user, also enable translate entire chat to make the feature even more powerful. Now, check the do not translate list. Sometimes certain languages are blocked here. Make sure nothing is selected. Your list should be completely empty. Once that's done, test the feature by translating a message. Most of the time, this resolves the issue immediately. But if translation still doesn't work and you're on an iPhone, there's one more trick. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Telegram, and tap Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data intact. After a few seconds, reinstall Telegram from the App Store, open it, and repeat the translation steps. This usually fixes any persistent issues. And that's it. Telegram translation should now be working perfectly. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any other Telegram issues you want me to cover. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.